Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the National Guard products number 101 VA is what this is. This is obviously a door sweep that you're looking at. It's a bit less common than other door sweeps for a couple of reasons. Number one, it's getting the packaging organized so we can slide a bit of that back in. It's the obvious drip cap. Okay. Another thing that sets this apart is the very thick seal material that's here. You can see how substantial that is. The 101 is representative of this profile. The V means that the insert material is vinyl. A means that the material is in a clear anodized aluminum finish. Not mill, it's actually clear anodized aluminum. Now this item is available in mill finish, which would be just 101V. It's available in the B finish, which is a gold anodized finish. And then, of course, the DKB for dark bronze anodized. So 4 finishes is what you'll get the 101 in. Pardon me, I'm wrong. I'm looking, yeah, I'm right. Mill finish, clear anodized, gold anodized, dark bronze anodized. Okay. The only seal you'll get this in is vinyl. Now, vinyl is not the best choice at all for weather stripping. In my opinion, it does not hold up with exposure to ultraviolet, typical sunlight, nor to extreme temperatures. But it is true to say that vinyl is the most common seal material that there is. If you have a chance, you always avoid it. Silicone, neoprene, is certainly polyurethane, all superior to vinyl. But there are times when vinyl is what you're using. Could be for economy, that sort of thing. Now, the fact that this item has a drip cap is an item that sets it apart. People who have installed drip cap items, either door sweeps or drip caps above the header, will all attest as to how remarkably effective they are at helping keep water away, especially above the header. And National Guard has a 2.5-inch projection and then the typical 9/16 projection for drip caps above the header. If you are a fella or a lady who installs doors and frames for a living, you might want to think about incorporating drip caps to the header end at the bottom as your standard package. Those contractors who did that will never again do it without a drip cap. I have witnessed mysterious instances of water getting in, cases that can't be cracked, but as soon as that drip cap was put on, problem solved, and it's still mysterious to this day. Kicks the water out a little bit, just far enough to keep it off that front line defense of the vinyl. There's an image below this video of the cross section showing you the important dimensional properties. Let's go over that now. It's 2-inch overall height. Now you can see laying that out there, and then out over here where your dimensions are going to lie out. 1.5 inches is the height of the extrusion, so obviously you're going to need to be 2-inch overall height. You're going to need to be down, here where it's making contact with your threshold. Now, the other thing is, what's the projection? They don't give that. They're typically 9/16, but this one certainly appears to be greater, and certainly it is. It's about 3/4-inch projection on that drip cap. We mentioned the different finishes that it's available in. You're going to use this in any exterior application. If it's an in-swing door, you're going to have to notch the drip cap back around your stops. That's not uncommon. If it's an outswing door, you won't have to do anything naturally. It is common that the vinyl runs a little bit long, and when you get it, it will be a little bit long for you to trim. That needs to kick out a little bit further than the net door width, of course, to give you a better seal down there. Okay. Available in several different lengths, naturally, in the website. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces and indicate in the comment field what net length you want us to cut it back to. Now the reasoning is this. If you had to take this 48-inch piece and cut it back to, say, 42-inch, you're going to eliminate that first slotted hole that's there. And speaking of that slotted hole, screws are included in a complementary finish. It's incredibly handy to have that slotted hole there for a number of reasons. First of all, most sills aren't level. Most doors aren't exactly plumb. Most frames aren't twisted or kicked in or out. Most doors aren't perfectly straight, flat either. They might have a little giddy up in them one way or another. When you're pre-drilling that hole for those screws, if you're using the screw that's provided, that drill bit has a tendency to walk a little bit before it pierces through, regardless of drilling into steel, aluminum, wood, fiberglass, bronze, stainless, if you've not used a center punch. So that slotted hole helps tolerate a misdrilled hole as well. A seal that's not proper is akin to having no seal. There's a, if you added up 1/8 of an inch by 3 foot and took that, by the time you've got all that square inch, it's equivalent to a hole in the size of the door that you could probably put your fist through. So it's crucial to have a slotted hole to give you that proper sort of seal. So anyway, if you ordered a custom length, the next longest piece, indicate in the comment field. We'll not only locate that first slotted hole at the proper distance from the edge, but the proper center to center as well. There's a link below this video to a document called Catalog, and that is handy because it allows you to review this item and National Guard's immediate sister products to it. Different profiles, different sizes, indicates the finishes as well. Also, and finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line product catalog and review all things National Guard weather stripping related. Not only door sweeps like this, but weather stripping, perimeter gasketing, thresholds, material made of aluminum like this, stainless steel, architectural bronze. And if you have more than an occasional need for it, you do yourself service by reviewing that catalog, as the name National Guard is quite synonymous with weather stripping. If you have any questions on the National Guard 101 VA, door bottom with an integrated drip cap and a vinyl seal, or any other National Guard item, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.